Ako ay si Rafael Pogi. Ang moto ko ay Subo.
For your Q&A, as our winner, what is your advocacy?
We, as a winner, should think as a winner. So, if I win here and I got the money, I will spend it to my family, my friends, and all of my constituents to say, I am a winner!
Thank you.
Next contestant,
Ricky!
Ricky.